Hello everyone, it's me again. Today we'll be taking a look at the Epson EcoTank Monochrome M1120 Wi-Fi ink tank printer. This is a model that is designed to fulfill an officer's printing needs, and that's exactly where we're going to test it. Let's go! First, let's begin with unboxing. As you can see, it comes in a rather sizable box, and the first thing you see when you lift the lid is the bottle of Epson 005 high yield ink. It's liquid ink, not powder-based toner, as you will often find with printers that promise this much yield. And then there's the documentation, driver disc which we won't even open, and finally we see the printer itself in foam blocks and a lot of wrapping plastic. Under it lies the USB and power cables. And that's it for the printer unboxing. To test this printer properly, we'll be collaborating with Aero Optometry, as we do not want to just print stuff out for no reason. No printer go brr memes, just an actual test in a business that needs to print out invoices and other stuff. Let's go over the printer now. The Epson M1120 is a high-yield printer that Epson claims to be able to print like a mono laser printer, but more affordable. The bottle we saw earlier is expected to be sufficient for 6,000 pages. There's also Wi-Fi connectivity and Epson Connect, allowing it to easily satisfy your office's printing needs. And it comes protected by a 4-year warranty too, for peace of mind. The Epson M1120 is a relatively compact printer and can easily fit into most spaces, even a relatively tight desk. It sports a subtle design with a simple monochrome color scheme that should blend right into any clean office setup. Now, here's the Epson 005 high yield ink. It comes in a 120ml bottle and, as we mentioned, promises up to 6,000 pages. As usual for Epson printers, the ink is filled into a tank in the printer instead of coming in a cartridge, which allows Epson to deliver the impressive cost effectiveness it is known for. Without further ado, let's get started. To fill the Epson M1120 with ink for the first time, first lift the cover, and then press the button to bring the ink cartridge over. Now, the cartridge should be aligned with the ink indicator. Simply open the Epson 005 ink bottle, open the blue cover on your printer and jam your bottle there. It sports a no spill connector, so you don't have to worry about well spills. A full refill should be about half a bottle, so you have another refill left in the bottle after you're done. You will then need to close the tank cover, then the printer cover, and press the button to charge the ink and leave the printer for about 10 to 15 minutes to load up the ink into the print head. The design of the Epson M1120 is advantageous for tight spaces because of the way that the paper loads from the front and exits from the front as well. You can cram it into a tight spot without any height clearance and just keep printing. From Aero Optometry's feedback, the Epson M1120 really lives up to its promise of being an inkjet printer that can print like mono lasers, as it was as fast as a laser printer and print quality was also actually visibly better than a laser printer. The letterhead here was printed by a laser printer beforehand. As you can see, text isn't nearly as sharp, with the laser printer exhibiting signs of running low on toner. Meanwhile, the text printed by the Epson M1120 were very clear and easy to read. The printer was put to work at Aero Optometry for a whole week, and they've printed out over hundreds of pages, and yet the ink level didn't drop visibly at all. This printer is really efficient, and they noted that it surpassed their expectations, as it is usual to assume that an inkjet printer will offer less yield than a laser printer. However, the Epson M1120 proved to be able to churn out just as much as a laser printer. Now, onto the price. The Epson M1120 costs RM689, while each bottle of Epson 005 ink is priced at RM36. If you have shopped for inkjet cartridges or laser toners before, you will know that the ink is really affordable. For all the features that the Epson M1120 offers in addition to its efficiency, we do think that it will be worth your while, especially if you do a lot of printing. The Epson M1120 is a simple, no-frills printer that can churn out a startling amount of pages without issue and at a very economical cost. We would also like to thank Aero Optometry for agreeing to helping us with this review. I hope you guys found this review useful, and if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, like our Facebook page, and follow us on Instagram. We will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!